Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Temporator here. Today we're going to be detecting, we're going to be searching on two old homesteads, and we're going to be searching for coins and relics. I'll try to use my dowser rod and see if I get any hits. If I don't, I'll just metal detect, and hopefully we can find some relics. And the house is that I'll be searching is on the side of the road, but the other one I have to follow down the road. We're going to get to a bridge, cross the bridge, go along the river for about a mile or so, and then we'll try to find that other old house. I found it on through Google Earth. Hopefully you guys like this episode, and we'll go from there. Hopefully we'll find some good stuff today. Guys, I got my first target here. It's a wheat cent. It's a 1917. I scraped it a little bit, but we'll keep detecting. As you can see, there's a chimney for the old house, and we'll see what else we could find. Okay guys, here's a water wheel. Here, it's an old Coca-Cola bottle. I have no idea what this is. Right here, see these right here. Okay, an old gas can. Here's an old car, probably from the 1920s. It's pretty awesome. Made out of metal. I wonder if they left some change underneath the seats. But I'm gonna take them back here and see what else we could find. Yeah, like a, what the hell is that? What is this? Look how heavy that thing is. Looks like a big old piece of chunk of lead. That thing's heavy. Well, that sounded good, so we'll keep on detecting. Okay guys, I got a surface find. You could barely see the back of it. It's an old US button. I have no idea what type of button this is. I don't know how old it is, but you can see the shank is broke. It's barely up in the surface, but as you can see, I got the chimney of the house right there. I'm at the backyard right now, so we'll keep on searching, see what else we can find. Okay guys, hopefully this I-beams hold up. Gotta go all the way across this bridge to that other side. Okay guys, I'm going right here on the side of this river. I'm trying to go find that old homestead, but I'll probably stop here in a little bit and make me something to eat. I'm really starving right now, and I think it's maybe about a quarter of a mile more to get to the house, but we'll keep on strolling and see what else we could detect over there at that house. There's a day, guys. 1928. I think this was a water well. That thing is deep. It's about 20 feet in there. But here's a side of the house right there. Okay. Yeah. Check that out, guys. Surface fine. Found me another marble. Looks pretty old. Cool, man. Alright, let's keep on searching. Surface fine. Check this out, guys. It's an old medicine bottle. I don't know what year that may be. pretty neat though. I'm searching back in the back of the house right now, so we'll keep on looking. All right guys, I had a high signal like in 86, 87, and I just dug this up. I have no idea what it is. It looks like a coin, but let me clean it up a little bit and figure out what it is. All right guys, let's do a wrap up here. I'm gonna show you the stuff that I found today. I went to 2 homesteads, but I think they were hunted out. I didn't find many coins, just a nickel and a penny, but I did a little bit of walking, a little bit of research on that old homestead, but I couldn't find many things. But let me show you what I found here. You can see, I found me an old medicine bottle, probably from the 1920s. I found me an old marble. I found me a 1917 penny. That was pretty neat. Scraped it a little bit. It's an old wheat cent, 1917. Found me just a regular 1980 nickel. But I found these 2 buttons. I have no idea what they are. You can see there, it's got some sort of wings on it, and I think it is a button. I'm not sure. If you guys know what it is, go ahead and comment, let me know. I found this button. It says US on there. I don't know what year it might be. The shank is broke, but pretty nice find. You know, pretty interesting. But you know, it's good to find old buttons. And I found this. This is all trash that I found, and this is a lead ball that I found pretty deep, about a foot. But other than that, that's what I found. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like this episode. If you like what I did, go ahead and comment and put a like and share. Thank you guys one more time. Temple Raider signing out.